Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dave's Garage. As always, today we got something very unique, very special to bring to you, the viewing audience. This is a Dodge Challenger. He's got a few dings and dents all over the car. But today I'm going to walk you through some of my steps that I do to de-ding a customer's vehicle. The first dent we're going to start off with is probably the easiest one. He's got two little dents on the fender here. Probably what I'm going to do to fix these is there's a little bit of plastic wheel liner here. I'll pull this back and I should be able to get right on this and massage these couple little dents out. What I did on this is I used this tool right here. So this is called a Reaper tool, and a company named A1 sells this. And the handle I used is an adjustable handle. This is made by Tactical Dent. So it's really nice, goes on there, adjusts. Many times you do have to take the whole fender well out to access the fender for the dents. But being as these are just two little dents right on top, pretty easy peasy. I was able to get this in there, pry that plastic back just a little bit, not to damage it, slide my tool in. And then you kind of drag your tip a little bit to figure out where the center of the dent is, and then you start making your pushes. These couple little tools here, this is just a hammer and knock down that high spot, which in knocking down the high spot, it also recreated a little bit of the dent. So then I had to go back in and kind of fluff that dent up a little bit more with the tool. So that was a pretty easy one. We'll keep moving on down the car. I'll show you how I do the rest of this.